Hello, my name is Jay Orlowski. Many times I get asked, who can buy a HUD home? Well, the answer is simple. Almost anybody can buy a HUD home so long as you have the cash or can qualify for a loan to buy it. However, there are a few restrictions on a HUD home that you should be aware of. One of the first things about a HUD home is that during the first 30 days that it's on the market, it's made available only to owner-occupied buyers. These are buyers that plan to purchase the home and actually live in that property for at least a year or longer. So during the first 30 days that it's on the market, these are the types of buyers that these HUD homes have preference towards. After 30 days passes, if the house is still on the market and it hasn't gone under contract yet with an owner-occupied buyer, then the bidding process will open up to anybody who wants to buy the house. At this point, investors can jump in the game, second home buyers, vacation property buyers, essentially anybody who can get the money or the loan to purchase the house. Now again, with everything, there's some exceptions. For example, some homes have so much damage to them that they're not insurable by FHA. In these cases, they'll still give preference to owner-occupied buyers, but only for the first 5 days. If the house hasn't gone under contract after the first 5 days, they'll then open it up again to investors, second home buyers, and the like. Almost anybody can qualify to buy a HUD home. Just remember that there are some restrictions depending on whether you plan to live in the house or buy it as an investment. If you're going to buy the house as an owner-occupied buyer and you're qualified, you have almost no restrictions. If you're an investor and you plan to purchase a HUD home, there are some time restrictions that you may have to wait out. However, once the time frame passes, then you're just as eligible as anybody else to buy that house. So, that's who can buy a HUD home. Good luck and happy house hunting. If you found this information useful, I've put together a free video series covering the 21 most critical things home buyers and sellers need to know. To get a collection of free videos, go to FresnoRealestateExpert.com/free.